Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a talking tom. So everyone excited about making a talking tom? Yeah, we are going to use MIT App Inventor. So let us start. First we are going to go in our MIT App Inventor. We click on create new project. Let's start with a new project. So I will give this as a talking tom. You cannot add space. Please remember that. Talking tom. Okay. So now what you will be doing? What are the things which are required for making a talking tom? Let us have a look. So we will be requiring a web viewer. Okay. So we are going to go in our user interface and we are going to bring our web viewer. The next thing which is going to require by us is a button. Let us have one button. On the left hand side there is a button. Drag it. And what do we need more? We will require one extension as well. I'm going to share the link in the video in the below. Okay, so the extension I will go over there. I'm having that extension in my computer, so let me choose that. Okay, so I will be sharing this extension, no worry. Import. Fine. What else do I require? I need few more things. These are text to speech. Okay, so whatever the text is going to happen, it will be converted into speech. So let me go in my media and check text to. Okay. And what else I require? I require a clock as well for putting a timing. Okay, it is not as important. फिर भी हम लोग ले लेते चीज़ को. This is in my sensor. Let me go and take my clock. Fine. But if you see that I'm not brought the thing which I took my extension, so I need to drag the extension. So I'm going to drag my extension over here. Okay. So now I'm having all the things which are required for me to make a talking tom. I'm having a web viewer. I'm having a button one, text to speech, clock one. Please recognize them. Fine. So let me make my text for the button look a little beautiful. There are few things which I can do. Before that, I will go in my scene and I'm going to just center it because it is on the left hand side. I'm not liking that thing. So if it would be in center, it is going to look really good. So let me do it in center. Okay. What else can be done? I don't want a background image. Hold. Fine. So let me go and check in my button. So let us make it little bold. Let us increase the size of the button. It is 14. I will make it 25. And what I can do, I'll change the shape, round it. I can change the text color as well as the default color. Let me change it to something magenta. Let me check. Okay, that's not looking that good. Let it be pink. Okay, changing the text color as well if you wish. Oh, okay. These are the few things which we need to do. Similarly, in WebViewer, I want the image of a talking tom. So how can I do that? I will go in my Google. I will search for a talking cat GIF or Tom GIF. So how you will be adding that? Just have a look. If I click on this image, you see how is it? Is this one better? Or else you can take some other thing as well. No worry. Not this. Okay, this one look better. So what we are going to do? We are going to do right click on it, and we are going to tell open image in new tab. Okay, we are going to select open image in new tab. So let me go over here. Okay, fine. I'm going to copy this URL. Control C. I will go in my web browser in a home URL section. I'm going to paste it. This much done. Now almost I'm done with most of the thing, all the basic thing. Yeah, if you want, you can make it look more beautiful by changing the color as well. So I'm not showing that thing. I will go in the blog section right now. Just have a look what I'm going to do in the blog. So first thing, what I need, when the button one is clicked, I want that it should call the speech recognizer. So it should be able to understand. So let me go over here. When button one is clicked, what I'm going to do, I'm going to call but speech recognizer. So I'm going to bring over here, click on the speech recognizer on the left hand side, call speech recognizer. Okay, if you're able to see that. Okay, just put it a little bit on. I have called the speech recognizer up till now. I can see what can be done now. After that, when speech recognizer come over there, okay, I will just go here. When speech recognizer, scroll down, there are a lot of things, don't get confused. Just remember what you're taking. When speech recognizer, after getting text, so what is going to do after getting a text? So he need to just show that image of talking tom first of all. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to web viewer, scroll down, set web viewer home URL, set web viewer home URL 2. Let me go in my text, bring the text. What I am going to do, the URL which I have placed in the talking tom, okay, I'm going to bring it over here. Fine. So let me, I can copy this from here as well. Control C, Control V. So that image is already there over here. So what would be my next step? Let us try that now. Fine. So after that image come, what we need, call text to speech. So when we are happening, when we are giving a text, okay, so I'll go over here, text to speech, call text to speech, call text to speech, and we need the result. Okay, so he's going to speak back to us. For that, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on this result, put your things, and will come and pick. There will be two things, set result to, we are going to try it, get result. Fine. So let me test my app up till here. Let me check it. I will go over here in the design and let me see how the things are going up till now. If I go to my connect AI companion, if I scroll, I scan this code with my app. Let me scan it and let me check how the things are happening up till now so that I will get a better idea. Okay. Okay, I can see that the image is coming, but it's not still working properly. So we have to add something more. Right? So let us move ahead. Started working. Okay. Now, if I feel that the many speech layer that is coming in the proper way, so I will just going to change the pitch to, if I'm saying something to talking down, you are not working properly. You listen that. Okay. So almost we are done with our main thing, but there are few more things we need to add so that it works properly. What I need to have a clock when text to speech after speaking result. I will go in my block. text to speech results. The result should be set clock one timer enable. So I'm going to just take a clock timer enable. Let me just scroll down. Enable, but this is not going to fit over there. True. Logic will be true. Switch. This part. Okay, so what is going to happen now? Let me check once again in my thing how the things are going. Is it working properly? What else can be done? Let me check. So let us have few more things. Then clock on timer. Clock on timer. Be done. Set web viewer. Home URL to. Duplicate this thing. If I want some other image over here, let me check. The image in new tab. Control C. Let us see what can be done. If I press the button, Tom, are you okay? Tom, are you okay? Tom, आपने खाना खाया? Yeah. Almost we are done with this thing. So we are able to make our talking Tom. अगर आपको इससे कुछ better बन सकता है, then definitely you can share your ideas with me. Okay. So this one is looking really good. Thank you so much for watching. Just have a look at all the part which I have added over here. When you are going to check it in emulator, it is going to look awesome now. Okay. So I'm ending this thing. Let me check if I connect if I'm able to connect and show you. Okay. Bye everyone. Thank you so much for watching the video.